Alright, welcome. We are using the product rule to find derivatives of functions today. So we have our first one here, y equals 2x squared plus 3 times 3x plus 5. We're going to first identify our u and our v, which means we're going to separate these two binomials. One we're going to label u, and the other we're going to label v. Okay, so u is going to be that first one, that 2x squared plus 3, and v is going to be 3x plus 5. Now, using the power rule, we need to take the derivative of each of these. Okay, so the derivative of u is going to equal 2 times 2x to the power of 2 minus 1. Now, let's also remember that the derivative of a constant here is always going to be 0. Okay, so that 3 will cancel out. Now, if we simplify this further, we're just going to do 2 times 2. It's going to give us 4x. And 2 minus 1, that's 1, so this is just going to come out to 4x. The derivative of v here, on the other hand, we're going to do the same thing here. It's going to be 3 times, the exponent is 1 here, so 1 times x to the 1 minus 1 power. And if we simplify that, is again, we have our constant here, and the derivative of a constant is always 0. So 3 times 1 is 3. And then x to the 0 power is just 1. So the derivative of v just comes out to 3. Okay. So now, thinking about what we know here about the product rule, the derivative of y is going to be found by taking u, multiplying it times the derivative of v, and we're going to add that to what we labeled v there, that second binomial, 3x plus 5, times the derivative of u. Alright, so let's plug this in. So u was 2x squared plus 3. And we're going to multiply that by the derivative of v, which happened to be 3. And we're going to add that to v, which is 3x plus 5. And multiply that by the derivative of u, which happened to be 4x. Now here we just need to do a little bit of distributing to simplify this. So 3 times 2x squared and 3 times 3 gives us 6x squared plus 9. And on the other side of my addition statement here, we need to also do some distributing here and do 4x times 3x and 4x times 5. And that gives us 12x squared plus 20x. Now we just need to simplify. So we get the derivative of this function is going to equal 18x squared plus 20x plus 9. Which that will be my answer. That is my derivative of my function.